Hello everybody, today I'm going to show you how to fix your audio with Voicemeeter Banana. Some people like me probably have this issue where the audio is kind of robotic, crackly sounding, and there's actually there's a couple of reasons why that is, but for me personally it was just one simple thing that I could not figure out, and it's really simple. First off, you need to go into the sound control panel, and then you go in your device, your main device for your audio, and then you go into the advanced tab, and you need to turn on allow applications to take exclusive control of this device. Click apply, and then go into the menu of Voicemeeter and restart the audio. And voila, your audio should be fixed. It's that simple. Hopefully that helps some people, and if not, I'm sorry and I wish you good luck.